welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been a while, but it's a super exciting vlog today because I got my Kylie palette. Okay, and also in there, so it's blotting powder. I don't know if you guys had seen this or not seen it, but basically Kendall is explaining that they use it on like the runways to keep you from getting super duper oily. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Look at how perfect this is. It's going to be so beautiful. Okay, so clearly, as you've seen, we're unboxing all of this, but we're also going to do a makeup look. I have tons of great different makeup things. Yay! I'm so excited to be using. Quarantine has been having me all over the place. I just dyed my hair. That's why I'm extra blonde. But so I was going to put together a little makeup look for you guys, and I actually stumbled upon this in TJ Maxx, which like wonderful finds for everything like Too Faced and Tarte, but I thought it would go so pretty with this palette. But it's glitter pop, and then it's like peel off eyeliner, which it peels off to like easy peel off, but not actually like it leaves an adhesive. But so it's glittery eyeliner. It is so pretty. I'm gonna put some on my hand so you guys can just like see it, but I'm so excited to basically like create a look with this, but you guys can like see how pretty and shimmery that is. Oh yeah, also a new news, I got engaged, so that's a lot of fun. Yay! Okay, so I'm going to get myself together and we'll start with the makeup. Okay, I also changed because it's super hot in here. So you can see I kind of have my everyday makeup on. My everyday makeup, that's not really everyday, but just if I'm going somewhere and I want to like look like I have a face, I basically put on the, I think it's Too Faced, I'm pretty sure it's Too Faced, but it's the Too Faced Watermelon primer, and then I basically put on concealer on all of my little like acne parts, and then put on a little bit of powder, did my eyebrows and a little bit of mascara, and put on setting spray. And that's basically what my everyday routine has been. But so I was going to add to that a little bit and put on a little bit of this Naked just foundation, and just put that everywhere, and then kind of as everything falls so lovely, and just kind of put that everywhere. So now I'm actually gonna just go straight to my eyes so that way I can just kind of knock the excess off as I go about it. Oh my god, I really can't get over these colors. Wow! Okay, so of course we're gonna start out with our eye primer. If I can find it. Oh, here it is. So I use a lot of this, so nobody judge me by the fact that I am not saving any of this. The way that I look at it, the more the better. I actually got this. It's a new little beauty blender. Yes, I've been very excited about receiving this makeup. Must you ask twice. So that's where we're at with that. I'm just gonna like look in my mirror and make sure we're all good there. Yep, looks pretty good. Okay. So we're of course, so I only have super generic like little brushes. I need to invest in nicer brushes, but this kit from TJ Maxx was like pretty solid when I had gotten it. So the first thing I did is I just put the more white nude color all over my eyelid just as a nice little base. It's called Model Energy. So far it's going on super easy and wonderfully. I look like a ghost, but we'll fix that, trust me. So I think next what we're gonna do is we're going to kind of go ahead and start with the crease. So I think what I'm gonna use is Brunettes Do It Best, LOL. I just changed to blonde, and just hit a really nice crease and see if we can get that going a little bit. Oh my god, these colors are so pretty. So nobody judge me based off of the way that I go about doing my crease. It's how I've literally always done it, and I'm not changing now. Sorry, my mirror is over there. Okay, so far so good. This is the eye that I always make super inconsistent because it's with my non-dominant hand. So one of the smartest beauty gurus that I know told me, blend till you die. So that's what we're doing today. We're blending until we die, basically. Okay, so already so pretty. I don't even know if I can do much more than this. So I think I'm actually gonna go in and put Love You Like a Sister, which, by the way, just because I'm bad at this, this is the base, this is the one we just used, Brunettes Do It Better, and then Love You Like a Sister I think we're just going to use to highlight the crease kind of thing. And we'll just go ahead and use a little bit of that on here as well. Got off balance there. Okay, so now we're just gonna blend. Now that we've added that into our crease, gonna blend till we die. Some over here. And then just whatever is left over from the top of our eyes, we're just gonna throw that underneath, kind of create the more dramatic-y look. I know some of you are like, girl, you look like you just got punched in the face, but we will make it better. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my more direct brushes, and I'm gonna take You're Tiny and Cute and put it all over my lid. Oh my gosh, this is literally beautiful. Mostly on the inner, and we're just gonna work it into that cute little crease. So literally using the same brush because, haha, I'm going to use November 3rd or Twice the Ice. November 3rd. The sparklier, the better, you feel me? So I just don't think this brush is picking it up super well, so I'm going to switch it to another one. There we go. That's picking up that pigmenty shine look that I wanted. So fun fact about me, I love sparkles. It's my favorite thing in the world, clearly. And for all of you who know me personally, you know that's my claim to fame. Sparkle literally everything. So now, I think that's all we're gonna use from the palette for right now. The only thing I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna take my handy dandy blender brush. I'm just gonna make sure that there is no disconnect from what we just did. I know it's pretty high up, but so far pretty impressed. So now I'm just going to take my eyeliner. I love these little cheap ones from TJ Maxx. Oh my god, that looks great. Okay, we still have more. Okay, that's better. So now take that super pretty Too Faced, sorry, I'm bringing my mirror a little bit closer because I want to nail this. And we're gonna go just right over that line. Extra pop there. I feel like it kind of smudged a little bit on my inner crease. I'm honestly just gonna blend that out a little bit. Okay, and now we're just gonna finish up and I'll wrap it through the rest of this so that way you guys can see a little bit of contour, a little bit of some fun lip, and we're gonna speed this up for you guys. So now we're gonna do eyebrows again, just with a little Benefit brush. We're gonna go through, and I know this is so out of order, so again, nobody judge me for my process. I'm just gonna go up and scoop. Go up and scoop. Also here. As well as tracing here. Sorry if this is so out of order. The camera's about to die, so I'll give you guys a full look. Okay, so to finish up this look, I'm using the Kendall and Kylie oil reducer. Oh my god, guys. So good. Alright, and then I'm gonna fix up my hair and then do a final walkthrough, look through. But this is basically what I came up with. Hope you guys enjoyed. So this is the final look that we ended up with. I'm pretty happy with it. I think that it's all around like pretty fun. I think that it's very sparkly. The colors are super pigmented. I could honestly, like, obviously not this much, but this is something I'd love to wear to like go out or just kind of like take fun pictures with if I like got pictures done or something. So this is the final look. I feel like it also doesn't help that the lighting in here is like super weird, but whatever. Thanks for watching. Bye.